Hey guys, this is another episode, Cooking with Ryan. I have a very special guest with us today, Paul. He is our, is it a creative artist?
Creative strategist, basically.
Creative strategist.
Handle the social medias.
With Beyond Microgreens.
Yeah, and graphics and all sorts.
So he basically edits these videos, makes awesome graphics. Very excited to have you on. So Paul, what are we making today?
We're making a German potato salad.
And how do you say that in German?
It's like Kartoffelsalat. So yeah, there you go.
So we already pre-sliced the potatoes and we boiled them, and then we also sliced the onion up a little bit. We have all the spices already ready. So what we're gonna do now, we're going to dice the onion up. And so Paul, you can do the honors. So this is a very interesting device. I don't know if you guys have ever seen this before, but so this is just a dicer. So you just put the stuff in there.
All right, I'll get the rest.
Yeah. So throw that in there.
Good.
Okay. And then
right. You might have to show me how to use this.
Yeah, here.
This
is a new invention that everyone should get. Pretty sick.
It's like a lawnmower.
And so yeah, lawnmower, and that's about it. I think that's decent.
That should be fine.
All right. So now, what we'll do is marinate the potatoes.
Yeah.
All right, sick.
So next we're going to add some chicken broth to the potatoes. Let them sit a little bit. Let's go ahead and do that.
So Paul, what made you think of this recipe out of all the recipes that we could make? What made you decide to do German potato salad?
Yeah, so my mom's actually German, and this is a recipe that I grew up with.
Tradition.
Yeah, I've actually never made it before, but my mom's made it a lot, and
nice.
I guess I would want to replicate it. I guess
for sure.
as best as I can.
Well, let's see if it's better than your mom's.
Yeah.
All right. So and then also the vinegar as well.
Yes.
So what is that?
This is white wine vinegar from Trader Joe's.
Cool.
Yeah.
Put that in there, and then also some salt as well.
Should be good, probably, right?
Yeah, that should be good. Just eyeball it. We're not baking, so it's fine.
That's right.
Put some.
Cooking's easy.
Yeah, for sure. Cooking's easy.
All right.
All right, we got the top off.
That's a decent amount of salt.
All right, and then might as well just toss it up. Here you go.
Just kind of give it a little stir.
Yeah.
Let it marinate a little bit. You can also use beef broth if you have that. So we had chicken broth already, so that's why I'm using that.
Cool. All right, and so that's pretty good. So then we put the onions in?
Yeah, we can just add all the other wet ingredients pretty much.
Okay, so we got onions.
Yep.
Great stuff. So just chuck it in there. And then we had pre-sliced pickles. Our videographer sliced the pickles for us, so thank you.
Thanks, videographer.
Here you go.
Add those in there. Give it a little stir.
And then we got some spices. We have parsley, dill, and then you guys already know the best part about this episode.
The star of the show.
Paul,
broccoli booster.
Broccoli booster.
Right there.
Amazing.
Camera should see this.
And Paul, what's your favorite thing about broccoli booster?
I think it's just really easy to add to basically anything.
Yeah.
I put it on even my cereal in the morning sometimes.
It's amazing.
Because you can't taste it and it's adding nutrients.
It's convenient too.
Yeah, it makes whatever you're eating a little bit healthier at least. So
yeah, for sure.
That's what I love about it.
So this is the best ingredient right here. Look at that. That's amazing.
Yeah, look at that right there.
Look at that. All right. And so this seems pretty simple, honestly. I mean, the longest thing is you just boil the potatoes. But other than that,
boiling the potatoes took about
everything.
Yeah, took about 10 minutes or so.
10, 15.
So not too bad.
Yeah.
And there you go.
All right, sick, man. So we'll have to try this. I'll get some bowls.
I think maybe we should strain it a little bit because that chicken broth's still in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that.
Yeah, go strain it.
So here's how our final product looks like.
Yes.
There you go.
I got a bowl for you. I need to get a bowl for myself. All right. Here you go. Just dish it out, man.
For sure. Might need a bigger spoon.
Might. Yeah.
But, I mean, this should be good for a taste test.
Yeah. All right, here you go. Thank you.
All right, give me 1 second. Let's try it both together. Get that.
That's good. And you already know we have to rate it, of course.
Yeah, for sure.
So let's try it.
Yeah, first attempt at my mom's German potato salad. Let's give it a shot.
Try. Cheers.
Cheers. Pretty tangy.
Mm-hmm. It's a nice spice. I also like the crunch and the softness. You got the soft potato and then the crunch of the pickle.
Yeah.
So I like that. And the vinegar and the chicken broth is also nice as well. The only thing is, I'm usually used to a creamy potato salad, and this is not very creamy. Is that because it's German?
Yeah. So like the German potato salad, one way that it differs from like the traditional American potato salad is doesn't have that creaminess.
It doesn't have like all the fat and disgusting.
Yeah, it's
like
more
mayo
like
or something.
it's more solid pieces. It's,
Right.
less of like.
It's more. I feel
Not
like
as
a
creamy.
whole, more natural almost. I feel like
For sure, yeah.
just doused in mayo or something like that. Yeah. Well, that's pretty good. So, what would you rate it, Paul?
I would say my first attempt, probably like a 7.1 if I'm comparing it to the potato salad my mom's made.
It's fair.
So it's decent. It's got definitely some potential, partly due to my cooking skills. So.
Yeah, I mean, I think the broccoli booster gives it like a +2, like right off the bat.
Sure.
I mean, what can you say?
Yeah.
As I said, super different than potato salad. You got the crunch and the softness. I'd give it like a 6.5. It's pretty good.
All right, I'll take it.
Yeah, man. So, Paul, thanks for joining us. And Paul, where can our viewers find you?
So I'm on Instagram. It's at paul.kihin.
Okay.
I post a lot of my photography there.
Amazing
And
stuff,
then,
I must say.
Yeah, I run the Beyond Microgreens Instagram, or I work with Ryan to create content for that and graphics and such.
So let us know what we should make next.
Sure.
Maybe some other German dish. I don't know. He'll be on another episode at some point, I'm sure.
Absolutely.
But let us know, and thanks for joining again, guys.